The Roblox chat ban has been lingering around for a while now, and everyone has the same questions. Do I scan my face or not? In this video, I will be showing you all the possible outcomes of scanning your face, and whether it's worth doing it or not. Okay, so to begin with, we all know that Roblox is using this AI called Persona AI to scan our faces. And what this AI does is basically check your facial bone structure and especially around your eye area, as this is how it can get the most accurate guess of your age. And still, the AI only guesses your age right about 95% of the time, which is pretty bad. If Roblox really wanted to do this, they could have at least made sure that the AI gets our ages right 100% of the time, right? Okay, now for the important part. If you actually verify your age, these are the age groups that you can chat with. Because of this chart, the ages that can chat with most people are from the ages 13 to 17. So if you are within that age range and really want to chat with other people, then I really recommend you do the age check, as it is truly worth it. The reason I'm saying is this, because I've seen people who have done the age check that are above the age of like 18 to 21. And even after doing the check, they still can barely find people within their age range that they can chat with. To think about it, not a lot of adults play Roblox. It is mostly content creators only. Next topic, should you trust Roblox with your face? Roblox claims that they delete the video of you almost immediately after verifying your age, but is this actually true? Yes. By right, they should delete your face, and if they do anything else with it, they could potentially get sued or even worse. The most they can do with your face is train other AI model or some shit like that. So if you don't mind these and just want to chat with your friends, then I'd say go ahead. Now, the biggest part is, why do Roblox players even play Roblox to begin with? Have you realized that games like Fortnite and Minecraft don't even have a chat feature? The thing that makes Roblox so much more fun, and, even the fact that it's a multi-billion-dollar company right now, is literally because of the fact that players could chat. It was like making friends, memories, and as an OG, it was the reason I didn't quit Roblox. It's the reason I'm still here checking out every single update. Remember during the COVID-19 outbreak where we couldn't go out, so we all just sat down and played with our online friends using chat? Without chat, I honestly don't think Roblox would even be here in this position, being so well known. And this is the part that David Baszucki doesn't realize. He's basically ruining his own game. I haven't even met one person that actually likes this update. Not even one. Remember the times where we would make an alt just to troll people with a goofy avatar and would make friends with other trollers? Do you think we can troll without chat? Do you think we can still make friends as freely? No! We can't even chat on our alt. Another really important factor is testing our age just to get a clear understanding of what AI thinks our age is, but do not do this on an alt that just ruins your chances of your face scan being successful on your main account. Instead, I recommend you try this with other AI if you really need to. Otherwise, just do one scan on your main account and that's it. Never use the same face for more than one account. Now, if you're still contemplating on whether or not you should scan your face, here's some reassurance. Like when you give your face to an AI and ask it to edit your face or make you look like, for example, make you look like a king, or even, let's say, Batman, yay, you basically trusted AI with your face. Now you don't see those pictures getting leaked, do you? Or remember when you used those cringy-ass Snapchat filters that made you have puppy ears? Those don't get leaked either now, do they? Final take. A lot of YouTubers and Roblox players in general do this and have done this, which means all these people trusted Roblox with their faces. So whenever you're ready to verify your age, go ahead. Good luck. But again, if you don't want to, that's completely fine too, especially if you don't ever use the chat anyways. Now moving on to the problems. You see, a lot of kids have been trying to bypass this system by using Barbie dolls, videos online, drawing on a beard, or even...
Hey, Grandpa, can I take a video of you real quick?
Yeah, which means a little kid as young as 9 years old can have their age on Roblox set to 21 plus. So easily, at this point, having a system like this is just pointless. Now for the biggest question that has been around for so long. Will Roblox ever remove this feature? To be honest, it really depends, since not even a single player likes or approves of this, I feel like the chances are quite high, but also, knowing Roblox, I don't think he would personally want to take this down. Maybe in the future he would make the age guess more accurate, or fix it. But to be honest, if such a huge part of Roblox is so indefinite, then why even release it so early? I mean, they could have fixed it and made it super accurate first. Okay, so for now, that's all I have to say for this issue. If you enjoy the video and found it helpful, please subscribe as it really helps, and also so that I can release more helpful videos like this. Bye!